Hey everybody, Aaron Dillon here, Managing Director of E.G. Dillon & Co. We're a venture capital firm focused on pre-IPO companies with investment funds for individual investors, family offices, financial advisors, and institutional investors. All right, I got a pre-IPO company update here for you the week ending 19 May 2023. Today we're going to hit on big company news from Anthropic, Magic Leap, OpenAI, Flexport, Waymo, Starlink, Go, Turo, and Revolut. It's a big day today. We got large capital raises, 3 new unicorns, and an individual pre-IPO company stock performance update for you. All right, Anthropic is an artificial intelligence research firm. It's raised $450 million in funding to support its AI initiatives. The company, founded by former OpenAI researchers, aims to build advanced AI systems that are aligned with human values and being effectively controlled. The funding round was led by investment firms Baillie, Gifford, and Insight Partners. The company used funds to expand its research capabilities, attract top talent, and further develop its AI models with a focus on safety and ethical considerations. OpenAI launched a ChatGPT app for Apple iOS this past week, making its language model more accessible to mobile users. The app, free on the App Store, enables users to engage in interactive conversations with the AI-powered assistant. OpenAI has incorporated safety features into the app, leveraging lessons learned from its earlier GPT-3 deployment. The OpenAI app also allows users to upgrade to ChatGPT subscription service, which is ChatGPT Plus. This allows users to access the internet so that ChatGPT can go into the internet and pull information for you. It's pretty cool. I upgraded myself today, and it took me about 60 seconds to do it on the app. It's really simple. I anticipate it's going to drive a material amount of incremental revenue for OpenAI. Meta reportedly is in talks with Magic Leap, which is a leading augmented reality company, for a potential augmented reality deal. The discussions indicate Meta's interest in further expanding its presence in the AR space, that's augmented reality, following its recent rebranding and strategic shift towards the metaverse. While the details of the potential deal are not yet disclosed, it's speculated that Meta could acquire Magic Leap or form a partnership to leverage its AR technology. Magic Leap has been known for its advanced AR hardware and software solutions, and a collaboration with Meta could result in significant advancements in AR experiences and applications. The talks highlight the increasing focus on major tech companies on AR and the metaverse as they seek to shape the future of immersive technologies. Flexport, a global freight forwarder and logistics platform, has hired an executive from Uber to oversee its new truck brokerage division. So Flexport traditionally did shipping, right? And now they're moving into trucking as well. The company has appointed Bill Dreggert, I think I'm pronouncing his name right, the former director of Uber Freight, to lead the expansion effort of its trucking services. This move highlights Flexport's strategic focus on expanding its capabilities into the trucking industry, which plays a crucial role in global trade and supply chains. By leveraging Dreggert's expertise and experience in the sector, Flexport aims to strengthen its position as a comprehensive logistics provider. The hiring of a prominent executive from Uber reflects the increasing convergence of traditional freight and digital technology as companies seek innovative solutions to optimize the efficiency and reliability of trucking operations. Waymo and Uber have announced a partnership to integrate Waymo's self-driving technology into Uber's ride-hailing platform. The collaboration aims to enhance the safety and efficiency of autonomous rides by leveraging Waymo's advanced autonomous driving systems. As part of the partnership, Waymo will offer its autonomous vehicles on the Uber app, providing passengers with the option to choose a self-driving car for their rides. The integration will initially roll out in Phoenix, Arizona, with plans to expand to other cities over time. By combining Uber's vast network of customer base and Waymo's autonomous technology, the partnership seeks to accelerate the adoption of self-driving vehicles and transform the future of transportation. Starlink, the satellite internet service provided by SpaceX, has experienced significant growth in its subscriber base. In a recent tweet, Starlink announced that it had reached a milestone of over 1.5 million orders for its satellite internet service. Starlink was at 1 million subscribers in December of 22 and 250,000 subscribers in March of 2022. So that's 500,000 subscribers in about 4.5 months' time. So they're on track to set some new records for this year. At $110 million per month, that's nearly $2 billion in annual recurring revenue right now on today's subscription base. This is going to be a big moneymaker for SpaceX. This achievement reflects increasing demand for reliable, high-speed internet access, particularly in the underserved rural areas where traditional broadband options are limited. SpaceX's innovative approach, which is utilizing a constellation of low Earth orbit satellites, has enabled it to provide internet connectivity to regions that were previously unreachable. About a third of the global population has no access to the internet. Not some, just no access. With its expanding subscriber base, Starlink is posed to continue to bridge the gap between the digital divide and revolutionize internet access on a global scale. Goldman Sachs has invested in Go, a Japanese ride-hailing app, Japanese taxi-hailing app, leading a funding round that values the company at $1 billion. The investment marks a significant milestone for Go and highlights its potential ride-hailing market. Go, which operates in over 50 Japanese cities, which is big. Japan's, not that big of a country, has gained traction by offering a comprehensive platform that integrates taxi services, payment solutions, and other transportation options. The funding from Goldman Sachs will enable Go to expand its operations, enhance its technology infrastructure, and further penetrate the Japanese market. The partnership with Goldman Sachs signifies the confidence in Go's business model and its ability to disrupt the traditional taxi industry in Japan with its innovative approach to convenience services. Car-sharing platform Turo has released its financials for 2022 as it continues to pursue an IPO. The company reported impressive growth with a 70% increase in revenue compared to the previous year, reaching $700 million. Turo's net loss also narrowed significantly, showcasing improved financial performance. The platform, which allows individuals to rent out their cars to others, saw increased demand and expansion into new markets, contributing to its strong financial results. As Turo seeks to go public, these positive figures demonstrated potential and attractiveness to investors, highlighting the success of its unique peer-to-peer card-sharing model. Panera Bread, the parent company of popular bakery and cafe chain Panera Brands, which owns Panera Bread, has appointed new CEO Niraj Chaudhary as it prepares for an IPO. Chaudhary, who was previously the CEO of Chipotle Mexican Grill, brings significant experience in the restaurant industry. Panera Brands IPO plans that have been in motion since 2020, aiming to capitalize on strong performance of the Panera Bread brand. Appointment of Chaudhary as the new CEO is seen as a strategic move to drive growth and enhance the company's position in the competitive restaurant market. The leadership change, coupled with the forthcoming IPO, reflects Panera Bread's ambition to expand its footprint and to capture market opportunities in the food industry. And last up, we got British digital bank Revolut has received a specialized deposit and credit institution license from the Brazilian central bank. The license allows Revolut to operate as a digital bank in Brazil and offer a range of financial services to its customers. The SCD license is a significant milestone for Revolut's expansion into South America, particularly in Brazil, which is a key market. With the license, Revolut can now provide banking services, including deposits, credit, payment solutions to Brazilian customers. The move underscores Revolut's commitment to global growth and its aim to become a prominent player in the digital banking sector in Brazil, catering to evolving needs of the customers in the country. Okay, big capital raises for the week. We got 3 new unicorns this week. Come on, it's a big week. That's a huge week. 3 new unicorns. But got a little bad news. Got to get that out of the way first. So Shein, the now Singapore / developed market fast fashion business, it wasn't China, now Singapore, that's a developed market, had a big down round this week. They pulled in $2 billion in capital for their Series G at a $66 billion valuation. That's down 34% from its last round in October of 2022. That's a big drop. Okay, let's talk about those unicorns. Sigma is a cloud data warehouse analytics company, raised $340 million Series C at a $1 billion valuation. D1 Capital and Exxon led. Snowflake Ventures, Sutter Hill, and Alternator participated. Avenue One, a residential home marketplace for institutional investors, raised a $100 million Series C at a $1 billion valuation. That's a 100% increase from its $500 million valuation Series B in December of 2021, 18 months ago. And Gradient, a clean tech water tech company, raised a $225 million Series D, and a $1 billion valuation, a 45% increase from its $690 million Series C 5 months ago. All right, last up, we got pre-IPO stock performance. Pre-IPO stocks were up for the week at 64 basis points. The S&P 500 was up 1.7%. Year to date, pre-IPO stocks still trail the S&P by about 24%. Also year to date on a company level, Kraken is up 5.1%, Databricks up 3.56%, Stripe, Epic Games, Discord, Flexport, Chime, and Brex are all down 30% or more. It's brutal. This week specifically, Databricks was up 6.96%. They're up 16% alone in May. I think that's on the back of this AI kind of movement. Databricks is a big winner from that perspective. Airtable's up 6.51%. Stripe took it on the chin. It's down 5.22% this week. Okay, that's it for the week. If you have any pre-IPO stock research needs, please reach out. Love to dive in with you. We're standing up an OpenAI fund now and in the process of buying 5.8 million of SpaceX stock. Drop me a note if you'd like more details. Thanks and see you all next week.